there, it's Pamela from over here at Jaguar Power Sports, located in Jacksonville, Florida, to tell you about the Massimo Buck 450. This guy right here is coming fully loaded with your winch, windshield, and that hard top as well. You got your tilt dump bed on the back that makes it great for any light work you're doing around the house, and it's even durable enough you could take it out and do some heavy duty work with it as well. Not only is it coming as a great workhorse, it comes with plenty of extra features, starting here with these chrome rims. Also, on the inside here, you're gonna see that it's coming with your tilt steering. So no matter how big or small you are, you can definitely fit in here. Now, that's just some of your cosmetic features that you will see here, as well as the cup holder. That also can come back up, and you can really fit a third person in there pretty easily. Like I said, it's definitely roomy and comfortable in this guy here. It also is 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. It still has your high and low gears, but most importantly, it's shaft driven. You don't have to worry about that pesky belt breaking or slipping off at any given time. Now, because this is a Massimo, it's gonna come with a full warranty that covers all parts and all labor for your first year. For more information, hop on my website, JaguarPowersports.com, where you're gonna find this side-by-side and many more. But I hope to see you in Jacksonville real soon.